Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can add easy animations in Flutter. So let's get started. So now we have our demo file. So here we have name for Lottie. Yeah, you guessed it right. We are going to implement Lottie animations in our Flutter. So go to pub.dev and install this package called Lottie. Go to installing, copy the dependencies. You can have dependencies based on your versions on here as well. Okay, once you copied it, go to pubspec.yml, paste it here and save your app, getting pubget, so you will get these dependencies in your application. Okay, so now what you can do is you can go to Lottie files. So this is a website where you can get a lot of Lottie animations. You can search anything for you want. Let's say we can search shopping. Now as you can see, we have various different types of cool Lottie animations. Okay, so what you can do is simply click on this file. You can even download this file, or you can simply click on this generate link file. Here in assets link and embedded, you can download this in the format of JSON, MP4 and etc. Now as you can see, the animation has been uploaded to your workspace. So here we have three different types of URLs. You can simply go ahead and copy the JSON link, and in our app, as you can see, I already have one JSON that I'm using. Okay, so now we simply have our app bar. Let's take a body. We'll have a column children in the center. Let's take a child, and we'll use our package, which is Lottie dot. Now we have different types, which are assets. So you can just download the JSON file and simply give the path in these assets: file, memory and network. So here now we are going to use network, and we're simply going to paste our URL. So now as you can see, I'll just simply save our app, and now we have our Lottie animation file in our application. So how you can have more control over your file is that you can simply extend your class with ticker provider state mixin. We'll have our animation controller. Inside init state, what we can do is we can simply initialize our controller like this, and don't forget to dispose your controller as well. Okay, so now once you have your controller, you can simply go ahead, and here you have your controller inside Lottie. You can give your animation controller. Okay, we can save our app. The late has been not initialized, so what we can do, we'll simply hot restart our application so that our animation controller will get assigned. Okay, so now that our application is restarted, now you can see we cannot see any animation as we have assigned our animation controller to our file. Now we can use onloaded. Here we will get the value of our file. Inside this, what we can do is we can simply use our animation controller, and we can simply give it the duration, which is equal to our value dot duration. We'll simply hot restart our app again. So now once our app is restarted, what you can see is this our animation, but to make it work, we can use forward. Let's save our app. Let's restart our application again. So using forward, we can initialize our animation. So as you can see, we have our animation. Once it's over, it is stopped. Okay, so you can have more control with your animation controller. So if you want to perform any actions, what you can do, let's say if we have a new file, let's say we have our new page dot, we'll simply create a stateless page for now. Okay, so here we can have our scaffold, a bar. Inside body, what we can have is our center, and for the child we'll simply have our Flutter logo. We'll give it a size of, let's say, 300. We can simply save our app. So our new page is created. We can simply write .plan, and here we can use our navigator push material page route. We'll have our context, and we'll simply navigate it to our new page. Let's just save the app. Now to see it in action, simply restart your application. Once it has been hot restarted, you can see the animation, and now when it's ended, you are navigated to the new page. Okay, we are navigated back to our main page. So this is how you can use your Lottie animations inside your application to have cool animations within minutes. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video.